Alrighty, hey guys, it's me, Kimmy. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, I wanted to show you guys what I got today. Now, I haven't had one of these in a long time. Well, I haven't used these in a long time. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm talking about first.
Ooh, I'm gonna show them
what are you talking about? Well, I have these little wax candle melts. What do you call these things? Anyway, this one's called Warm Apple Pie Wax Cubes.
I picked that one out.
And I used to buy these things years ago, but I haven't, used them in so long. I just started buying like the sprays and or the plug-ins, and this used to be my like ultimate thing, that I would constantly burn to make the house smell really nice. And so what you do is take these little tea lights and place them in this little thing. Okay, let me lift this wax, the wick. Uh-oh, I forgot to take this thing out. There we go. I'm making a mess. Anyway, you put that inside, drop it in there, just like so. And this thing I got from Bath and Body Works, probably like 10 years ago. I don't know. And it's already got some wax in here, so what I'm gonna do is let that melt first. So you take this little thing here and you put it in there like that. And what I'm gonna do next is gonna be awesome. No, I'm just making it seem a lot more dramatic, but really all I have to do is light the candle here. Okay, we're just gonna light it with this candle thing. Okay, if I can ever do it. There we go. There we are. Got that lit. And then I'm gonna let this wax melt, and then once this melts, I'm gonna pour it out because this stuff is old, but it still kind of smells. It has a scent to it. And then we set this on top. And then I usually will sit it over here on my fireplace over here. So I have to drop it. Okay, just like so. Okay, remove these candles. And we're gonna let this melt. That's wax underneath there. Somehow got wax underneath, but anyway, it's gonna melt, and once it melts, I'm just gonna pour that out and then replace that wax with the other one that smells so good. Turn that light on. I like my house to feel cozy, creating a nice ambiance. Turn on my lamps, and then it just makes it feel more fallish, more fall. I like the fall. I really appreciate the fall now. More of a summer, spring person, but now it's like I really can enjoy fall. Oh, and Kennedy, one of her friends that couldn't make it to her birthday party yesterday, she ended up, her mom dropped her off, and she was able to deliver a gift for Kennedy because she had a gift for her yesterday, but she was sick, and this is what she gave Kennedy. Turn it around so that they can see it. It's, what is it? Live colorfully. Live colorfully. Is it a diary?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. And it's got a key and everything. Look at that. And her name is Kendra. So that was so sweet. Say thank you to Kendra because she might be watching. Yeah, that is so sweet.
It comes with like little
stickers. Nice.
And it comes with a pen.
Wow, that was very thoughtful. And you've been talking about diaries. Is this your first woman? Didn't you have another diary?
This is my card too.
Oh, she gave you a card? Hey, Cupcake. That's too cute. Oh, you got some really nice cards. You're a special girl who's loved a lot when it's your birthday and when it's not. Oh, happy birthday. That is so sweet. Kendra, happy birthday. We're going to put it over here because we got a lot of cards that Kennedy and Jordan got yesterday. And I wanted to do something different with the cards, like, because this thing right here, this little octagon shape, I figure, we could kind of like maybe do some kind of, oops, darn it, I done dropped the card, Lord. But I'm thinking about, you know, doing some kind of like window decor creation. I don't know, maybe on Pinterest they probably got something that I could possibly attempt to do that won't cost a lot of money. And yeah, but in the meantime I wanted to kind of like showcase the cards right over here, but then it looks like they're gonna fall off, so I might have to put some over here. Let's open them up like that. Yeah, it's cute. We'll do that. But anyway, I can't wait to see how my candle is gonna smell once that stuff melts. And this one is called Warm Apple Pie.
I picked that one out.
Oh, it smells so good. And it was a tie. It was between this one and the pumpkin. It was a pumpkin.
And also a vanilla cupcake.
Yeah, vanilla cupcake.
But then
And
I
pumpkin.
picked that one.
And then I had the warm apple. And this was cheap because I was going to get one that was $2 and then the other one was $3. They're all cheap, but
and
still.
then Mom asked me like which one should I get, and I was like, you should get. I smelled both of them, and I was like, you should get the warm apple pie.
Yeah, it's nice. And then I asked my husband, and he was like, yeah, I like this one. So he really likes it. So we're going to went with that one. Why you gotta show me your whole dance? I want to be surprised when I go to your thing
gonna
so
show
we
you all
can
of
see
it.
it. Hi guys, this is me, Kimmy,
Mom,
and
it's like
Kennedy,
this.
and my mom. Well, she's in the kitchen right now. We just came back to the house, picked up Keno from my hubby because she's out of school right now, and then
Look, I wanna
we're
show them
gonna
a
pick
trick.
up Jordan. But Jordan's being got a tutoring.
Tooting.
She's
She's
being tutored in her math
Math
class.
class.
So we got to pick her up.
Ooh,
a
I'm gonna
little
show
bit.
them a trick that I can do. Ready? Set, go.
Girl, what are you doing?
It's like you're pulling this
And
string on
then
your lip.
Jazzy is in Atlanta on a field trip at the aquarium, the
I'm
Georgia
going online
Aquarium.
and put it in that I need him to put this light in here.
Okay.
Somebody been in here? There's tracks.
It's
There's stuff
probably
on the
maybe
floor.
it's Kenna.
No.
Kim, you think you tracked this stuff in here?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I have
No,
socks
my feet.
See?
I have socks on.
See? Tracks.
Yeah.
There, right there, right there, right there. It's like somebody came through here.
Mm. It's possible. Yeah.
I called the office and asked her, did she tell somebody I need a
Mm-hmm.
light over my stove?
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, Kenna, you ate
I
your
want to come while
lunch.
I'm here. I don't want to know my apartment when I'm not home.
Yeah, that's
Nobody.
the best request. Yeah. You know, that's what I used to do when we lived in an apartment. You know, like, don't come afterward. You know, when we're not home. Yeah, and then give me time to come to the door because, like, they will just knock, boom, boom, and
He's up
then
there,
open
he's
the
just parked up
door.
there doing nothing. Read
Yeah.
the truck.
Yeah.
Such rude.
What do you have going on, Kenna? You gonna draw something? So, guys,
It's like that. Did you get a chance to tell the guy about the light all over the stove? I can't
Mama's
see that
handling
good
her
on picture.
situation here. Anyway, we're watching Greenleaf, the new season, which is the 3rd season, I believe,
What should I
which is
want?
so
Yeah, I'm at
good.
home.
So far, I'm watching the 2nd episode of the 3rd season.
Who
It's
should I
really
draw?
good.
You?
Okay, thanks.
Try you, Mimi.
All right.
You gonna try you, Mimi?
She just texted me.
She was
Told
texting.
him could he head over here?
Right.
I don't want his ass.
I say, what is that?
That's what happened when it's on Jill.
Oh, let's see, Keno.
Dang.
Yeah, I want somebody to come to my apartment when I am. It's like somebody walked through here or something. There's trash down there.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all took your shoes off, so I don't.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't.
shouldn't be having anything. You took off yours too.
Oh,
Unless you had something on your sock, maybe.
Not dirty. Not dirty. So.
Yeah.
You ready to watch Greenleaf or you gonna wait?
Yeah, I can watch Greenleaf. Unless you don't want to watch it right now.
You know,
Anyway.
put your book bag in my bedroom, so at least put it
You want to put it over there by the door, maybe?
What, back here and down here?
Well, somewhere where you won't forget it, because I don't want to have to come back over here and, went all the way home and then like, oh Lord, we forgot the book bag.
I said that I put it down. I said it's hard to see while I'm cooking. I know it is. Actually, I don't. I'm happy.
So how was school today?
Good. We went to dance and then we
Good head.
You went to dance class?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of dancing did y'all do today?
I think it was like jazz.
Jazz? You know what? I would love to learn tap dance.
No, the thing that I want to learn is ballet.
I want to learn tap because I've been watching. I'm Free to Be Me, and she is really like, I like watching her videos from time to time. I check up on her to see how she's doing, and she's been doing tap dancing. And she does all the little. She's learning tap, and I think it's so cute. And I want to learn tap. Let me see what. Look what Keno's drawing. Good job, Kennedy.
Hey.
She's really good at drawing, guys. So we had the birthday party the day before yesterday. Also her friend, Kennedy's friend, dropped by yesterday. I'm just talking. You guys can't hear nothing I'm saying because my mom is vacuuming. That's one of them good vacuums too. Yeah. My mom getting her vacuum on. Oh, good job, Keno. You putting her some pretty earrings on? You drawing Mimi.
You told me to.
Yeah, I know. Keno drawing you. So she's drawing her Mimi.
Oh, did you show me the pictures that y'all took?
I didn't take any pictures.
Oh, okay. I
I just did video.
I want to show you the ones that I took of Jordan and
Yeah, you have to show me what you took because I didn't take. I just did video that day for the birthday party. My mom was thinking I took pictures, but I can take still shots from the video. I can do that. So I have 2 interviews, 2 job interviews. Within the week, not this week, but next week I got 2 job interviews. So we should.
Yeah, that's where my general cycle works.
You're who?
My general cycle.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. I'm going to go, guys, because my battery is getting ready to cut off.
Watch this.
Bye.
Morning. Watch this.
Oops. Dang. Ugh. He had it drawn up. He beat it to it.
Seriously. After the way you spoke to me last night, if you weren't family, you wouldn't be living in this house.
Oh, that's funny.
She got some bad news.
Dang. Whoa.
Yeah, because you said she's still loving her.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
But you shouldn't play around with the word divorce.
But my thing is,
Look, we watching
we're going through
Greenleaf.
some stuff. I don't know whether they're going to be able to make it out.
Yeah, that's right. But you definitely can't be playing around with that word. We talking about divorce. Because it's a serious, serious, serious word. What are you eating, Keno?
It's the watermelon one.
Yeah, your Mimi gave me one. It was so good, too. It was blueberry, I think.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah, watermelon. Your Mimi had watermelon, too.
Jessica had been trying to get me to watch this for a long time.
Yeah, so
I
good.
didn't watch it. I told her, yeah, I'm going to watch it. But then every time I watch it, I like it. But then one day I said, I'm going to start watching it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 3rd season, 3rd episode, I think.
Hey guys, it's me, Kennedy, and we just got back from my Mimi's house, and yeah, so we're about to go pick up Joe, and she had tutoring lessons for math today, and then later on at like 5:30, Dad's gonna pick up Jasmine because she went to
The aquarium.
yeah the Atlanta Aquarium. Oh my gosh, my lips are so red.
Yeah, you just have that Italian ice.
It looks like I have lip gloss on, but I really don't. But yeah, we're going to go pick up Joe, and then go to the
Or to the dollar store.
go to the dollar store,
We need to get some thank you cards.
and I'm gonna get myself something.
Don't let me forget to get thank you cards for your friends and
And for like all these